YouTube, what it do, man? Y'all know I come on this channel just to put y'all on to the bag, bro. I'm always dropping gems on how to start making more money online and how you can start taking your business to the next level with digital products. But this time, I got some bad news. Y'all know I've been making these videos talking about the upcoming and the uprising of AI. Now I just got the worst news for a lot of people who are working particular jobs. Y'all gonna get laid off by 2026, bro. And I'm gonna put the screenshots on the video just to show y'all that this is not a game no more. At first, it was hypothetical. I was just, speculating that, okay, AI coming in strong, people might get replaced from their jobs. Now it's confirmed. AI is going to take over a lot of industries. All of this is gonna come back to you needing to learn how to monetize your social media, bro, and building your own personal brand or just learning a high income skill. That's what all of this is going to have to wrap around to. One way or another, you need to learn a skill that can pay you without you having to rely on any of these systems in this economy. I'm gonna go through the top 5 industries right now that's gonna fire a lot of people in 2026 because they simply not gonna need y'all no more. Number 1, we got customer service. Customer service representatives, people who do customer service. A lot of these people are going to get laid off. And the crazy thing about customer service is this is a very common job that many people have. Like, this is one of the most popular jobs that people with degrees, people without college degrees, they get these types of jobs. Like, a lot of people are hired in the customer service industry. And now they're gonna have AI bots that can simply just take care of the customer service. So why would they continue to hire a human when they can hire a bot that can do the job way better? So call center agents, tier 1 tech support, reservation and booking agents, anybody who are in them fields, you might be cooked by 2026. The second thing we're going to talk about is something that I literally used to do last year. I used to drive Lyft and I used to do DoorDash last year, April of 2024, before I started my digital marketing business. This is like the second, if not even more common than customer service. They are about to have cars by sometime in 2026, and they already got them right now. They got these like cars that just drive by themselves, bro. I know y'all be seeing this on the internet. If I could insert a video right here, I'm gonna insert
this. There's no driver. This is fully autonomous ride-hailing app. It's called.
And there's nobody actually driving the car. It's like an AI car, bro. It's the craziest shit ever, but this is the times we in right now. So a lot of people who do rideshare are about to be out of jobs because more and more of these types of AI cars is about to start coming into play. So if you do Lyft, you do DoorDash, you do Uber Eats, you need to be worried too. You're not safe, my boy. I know that's usually the safe route for everybody who don't want to really work a real job and you just trying to make some quick cheese. That shit is about to be cooked too. You need to look elsewhere. Next up on the list, we got retail sales. So people who work at Target, Walmart, Amazon, gas stations. Of course, y'all already know about self-checkout. But in a minute, there's going to be AI systems generated to where humans are not going to be needed for those jobs at all. You feel me? They're working on these things. This has already been proven. Forbes said it. All of the trusted websites have already said this. Now, unfortunately, that is another industry where there are hundreds of thousands of people who do these jobs. The type of jobs, it's so messed up because the type of jobs that's about to be eliminated, they're the type of jobs that people usually get as a last resort. These are the type of jobs that people get to pretty much survive. Like, think about it. Customer service, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Lyft, Uber, retail sales workers. Like, these are like jobs that are like probably considered in the lower bracket of jobs, but more than likely the people who work these types of jobs actually need these jobs to survive. So that's the craziest part about everything that's going on. So the next type of industry that's going to be affected by AI, video editors, photo editors, and copywriters. Pretty much this industry is already kind of cooked, because I got apps on my phone right now that edit videos for me. I got apps on my phone right now. These are AI apps that do my thumbnails for me, make photos, crazy type of photos. You don't have to pay for graphic designers no more. And then I definitely got apps on my phone that automatically edit up and chop up my videos and stuff like that, create shorts for me, short form content, long form content. People in those fields are already probably feeling the effects of like, damn, AI really taking us out the game. Because you gotta understand, we don't have to really pay much for the service besides probably a monthly subscription. And then on top of that, the job get done in minutes. So it's just crazy right now. To be honest, it's a bunch of other careers that's going to be affected, like data entry specialists. It's a bunch of things. The list can go on and on and on. But the point that I'm trying to make is they're trying to take the lower class, middle class, just completely out the game. That's what it seems like. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm not tripping. So the whole purpose of this video is to let you know that you don't have that many options, but you do have options. Your choice that you have right now is for you to learn a high income skill. I learned digital marketing last year in April of 2024. I was actually doing Lyft at the time, and I actually worked at Amazon before. So it's crazy how both fields that I used to be in, they're being affected by AI coming up soon. If not now, people gonna start feeling the effects coming up soon. So that's why it's so important for you to build your personal brand. My whole channel is based around me trying to tell you to start building your personal brand. What does that mean? Get on your phone right now that you on right now. Think of a topic, anything that you're good at, anything that you're passionate about. Start creating content around that skill. And start learning how to monetize the talents and the skills that you already have. Start talking about things that you're passionate about on your Instagram, on your TikTok. Social media right now is the only place where they put no cap on how much money you can make. There's no limit on how much money you can make. I got into digital marketing because I realized that it was only but so much money I can make driving around doing Lyft. I can't control how much money they give me per order. I can't control that shit. If they want to give me $3 to drive 30 minutes, what can I do? I either have the choice to take it or wait on the next one. And for y'all who got a job, you really stuck. Because if you don't have a decent enough paying job to sustain your lifestyle and be okay with it, then you're stuck with whatever they're giving you per hour. So no matter what type of income you have right now, you need to be learning how to monetize your social media. I'm guaranteeing you, outside of your job, social media is where you spend the second most amount of your time. Just look at your screen time on your phone. I'm guaranteeing you, just look at it. I guarantee you it's say at least 5, 6, 7 hours. You feel me? So just think about it. You on there for free while a person like me has made 6 figures. As y'all can see, man, that's my name right there. Denzel. Just gonna scroll down, just show y'all just a few cash outs, man. Y'all see this. From social media, because I learned about digital marketing, I started building my personal brand. I started a brand new Instagram account last year in April. That Instagram has now over 50,000 followers, and I've made well over $100,000 strictly from my phone. The thing is, I will teach you step by step how to start a digital product business, a profitable digital product business, and start learning how to build your personal brand so that you can start monetizing your social media, bro. I got the 6-figure cheat code. It's gonna be the first link in my description. This is gonna teach you step by step how to start monetizing your social media with digital products, how to build your personal brand, create viral content, and I'm gonna give you 12 done for you guides that are gonna help you start your digital product business from scratch. All you gotta do is customize these guys and you can resell them as your own for 100% profit. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be the first link in the description, man. Don't wait, don't sleep. It's time for y'all to wake up. This was a wake up call for you. You need to lock in and learn this high income skill so that you can be safe in 2026, man. All love, man. Y'all already know it's your boy, CEO Stacks. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.